Hi guys, and welcome to my very first video for 2024, and also it's my very first Valentine's Day video. In this video I'm going to show you how I made these disco heart ornaments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give my video a thumbs up if you like it, because it helps me out a lot. And if you want to know how I made this, then just keep on watching. For the first version I used these mirror mosaic pieces. They are self-adhesive, so you don't need to use any glue. I will add them to this styrofoam heart. First I made a loop out of this gold wire and glued it to the top of the heart. Then I started adding the mirror pieces. I started by adding long strips in the center of the heart. Then I cut them into shorter strips of 2 mirror squares when I got closer to the edges. Then for the last couple of rows I added the squares one by one. Then I did the same thing to the other side of the heart.
A couple of the mosaic strips came with an edge row that were narrower than the others. I saved these and used them to fill out any larger empty spaces. For the second version I used this silver disco fabric. I cut off a piece of the fabric and then I glued it to the heart. This part is a bit hard to explain because I sort of made it up as I went along, but I started by covering the front half of the heart. I glued a small piece at a time and also cut away excess fabric when I needed to. For the top parts where the heart is rounded, I cut a slit down the fabric to be able to glue it down flat without any creases. Then I did the same thing to the other side of the heart. And the last thing I did was to add a little loop for hanging. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you liked it, because it really helps me out a lot. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.